everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna cook the mushroom chicken pasta. So guys, this is all the ingredients for the pasta. This is the mushroom I sliced already, and the chicken guys I marinate already with the lemon, black pepper, salt and garlic powder, cooking cream, onion, garlic, salt and black pepper, Italian seasoning. So now guys, we start. So that is it's boiling already the water for the pasta. Okay, so we add the pasta now.
Make my way in the world and I can make it alone.
So now we add here
If you love me, don't
olive oil.
let me go. 'Cause there's a whole lot of men right here with a whole lot of love to share. Mom and Daddy raised me right. Tip your hat,
Ayan,
son,
guys, we add the
be
garlic.
polite. Someone for everyone. You need to have some faith. God has a plan.
Then add the onion.
Do this thing. But if you go this time, take your memories out of my mind. Just walk away.
Now we add this one, the Italian seasoning.
Girl, but that ain't fair. One side of love always feels alone. Give my tears, I'm sorry.
And then we add the chicken guys.
If you love me, don't let me. There's a whole lot of men right here with a whole lot of love to share.
Guys,
Mom and Daddy raised me
okay.
right. Put your hat, son, be polite.
And the chicken guys. So now we add
For everyone,
salt and the black pepper.
need to have some faith. God has a plan. Let him do his thing. If you're leaving me,
And now guys, the chicken.
you'll find what you're looking for.
The smell is delicious.
One last kiss goodbye. If you love me, don't let me.
So now guys, the chicken is cooked already. So we add the mushroom.
One last kiss goodbye. If you love me, don't let me go. If you love me, I'll do. If you don't leave me alone. If you want me to,
So yan na guys. So now we add the.
if you love me, don't let me.
So yan na guys, it's cooked guys. See it. So as like that because I like the brown one. So now we add the cooking cream.
What you see is just what I am. I make my way in the world and I can make it alone.
Ayan na guys.
If you love me, don't let me go.
Wait until.
There's a whole lot of men right here with a whole lot of love to share. Mom and Daddy raised me right. Tip your hat, son, be polite.
Ayan na guys, super creamy. So now we add the pasta.
God has a plan.
So we add the pasta.
Let him do his thing. But if you go again this time, take your memories out of mine.
Wow.
I need you, girl, but that ain't one side of love always feels alone.
Ayan na guys.
Give my tears, I'm sorry. If you love me,
Ayan na. Super yummy.
there's a whole lot of men right here with a whole lot of love to share. My mom and daddy raised me right. If you have son, be polite. Someone for everyone. We need to have some faith.
Ayan na guys. Wow, super.
Let him do his thing.
Hi, super sarap.
If you're leaving,
Super yummy guys. It's very easy.
I wish you the best. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Here.
One last kiss goodbye, and you need to know. If you love me, don't let me go.
Ayan na guys.
One last kiss goodbye, and you need to know. If you love me, don't let me go.